Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 5 lines on nature. First point, nature is beautiful. Nature is beautiful. Second point, nature give us air. Nature give us air. Third point, it is covered with green color. It is covered with green color. Fourth point, everything we see around us is nature. Everything we see around us is nature. Fifth point, we must protect our nature. We must protect our nature. So these are the simple 5 lines on nature. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like my channel. Bye.